What you got, Gracie?
What you got? What'd Santa bring you? She's trying to get that ball on the bottom. You see her, bro? Aw. She stuck her tongue in. She's gonna get that ball out of there. Look at that toy you got. You got
got
that
it.
toy. What's that? Look at that, Wally. I gotta say, she's a good president.
She's your girl.
She got that right out of there, and she sees this other tennis ball, and she's like, I want that tennis ball.
Try this end. Wait, what's Rose got? Rose got something.
I gave him a pig stick. But he don't care now because she's doing
Where's your pig stick? Oh,
Uh-oh.
Gracie wants a pig stick.
Eat this. That's for you. Good girl. Now we got two pig
Uh-oh,
sticks.
she dropped it.
Well, there's two of them. You can't fight.
Yes, they can.